from Happy Family Fireworks. Today we come to one square because we want to introduce one funny item for us, for you. You see, there are two Pyro Pop and Pyro Dew. They are red and blue, and actually this is a fountain. I hope you like the names and the colors. The size is exactly like the color. And this one you will pack 30 by 2 in one carton, 31 red and 30 red ones and 30 blue ones. You will see this size is really good when for the July 4th or New Year you can hold one of these for your with your friends and display together. And this duration is 28 seconds with lots of different colors and effects. I hope you will like it. Tonight we will shoot together here. You see, we have lots of items here and we will shoot together. So let's go and shoot.